Kingston and St. Andrew, I would say after the earthquake, there is a process, a priority process that was outlined by the Most Honorable Prime Minister. We first had to address that. And so we assisted the NAA and the Jamaica Fire Brigade and other agencies. But on our own, we still check a few critical institutions. There were some hospitals that we had to go. The St. Joseph Field Hospital had reported cracks and issues there, and so our engineering team went there. We did check, and we were quite satisfied. So they were told that they could reopen the facility. We are checking other critical institutions. And we are also checking schools. We have concerns about just based on age and so forth. We are also collecting data because it's important to collect data on what has occurred across the municipality. We are also reaching out to just residents across the municipality to report, to make reports of anything that happened with their structures. We are also interested in the multi-family development. So that would be, for us, critical information. With respect to landslides, we had several landslides in the rural sections of the municipality, major landslides in the Kintyre division, that's in East Rural St. Andrew. And we have concerns there to date. And we have invited Mines and Geology and other agencies to visit with us and assess the situation. There are some areas there that we are still concerned that might be unstable, and we could get further action in terms of falling boulders and so forth, and further landslides. We need to continue to review building codes, in particular as they relate to earthquakes. What we would want is that there's a constant review of international building codes, especially in earthquakes, in cities that are prone to earthquakes, and see if we can incorporate. We are pleased that the infrastructure of the city stood, and so I would say let's continue to fine-tune our building codes, and so that our infrastructure can withstand anything that is ahead of us.